ভিডিও করলে কি সমস্যা? ভিডিও করা যাবে? Hey guys, I cannot make any video because it's not allowed to make videos in here. So that's a sad story. So I'll talk with you guys after checking in. Huh? No. Hey guys, just checked into my room and it was only 4,000 taka. Not much. Now going to my room and only can make selfie videos. Scenario videos are not allowed. So let's go to my room. Now inside the lift. রেস্টুরেন্ট ভাই কয়টা পর্যন্ত খোলা দেবে?
রেস্টুরেন্ট 11টা পর্যন্ত খোলা থাকে।
আপনি কি বিকাশ দিয়ে পে করা যায়?
বিকাশ হ্যাঁ করা যাবে।
রেস্টুরেন্টে জিজ্ঞেস করলে হবে?
হ্যাঁ রেস্টুরেন্টে
ডিলাক্স রুম। See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, they have given me the permission to make video. So this is the hotel premises. Like that is the entrance, and I was in that building before, but now they have transferred me to this deluxe suite. So it's like a kind of a small bungalow kind of a room. So let's see it from downstairs. Now I'm going to the restaurant to have some food and then I'll rest because my back is really breaking. Like I'm having like back pains. That is my suit, deluxe suit. They have probably given it to me for free. Give it to me for free. So it's really awesome. So let's go to the restaurant. Let's go to the restaurant. Hey guys, this is the last restaurant. Let's get a tip. Hey guys, this is the menu. Seems like really cheap food in here. Snacks, Bengali food, mutton, beef, fish, egg, smashes, vegetables, dal, khichdi, pulao, biryani, salads, appetizer, soup, chicken, beef, fish, and vegetables. So yeah, loads of items to choose from. So I'll choose an order and then I'll show you guys what I have ordered. Hey guys, I've ordered plain rice, chicken jhal fry and dal tarka. So I think it'll do for now, and if I get more hungry I'll come later. Hey guys, the food is here. No, water like no Coca-Cola. Guys, spoon or fork? Yes. Dal tarka, white rice, chicken and jal fry. You guys had awesome food, and now had like 2 bottles of Coca-Cola. I already drank 1 bottle of Coca-Cola, and this is the second bottle of Coca-Cola. That much thirsty I got. So let's get back to my room and let's see what else can I shoot. What video can I make in this complex? It's like a huge hotel and resort complex, combined of multiple buildings, and probably they also have a small park or something. So let's go and see what happens. The restaurant entrance is awesome, with decorations and lights. Looks like a palace entrance. Yeah. They also turned on the fountain in the entrance. That way is the park or something like that. I don't know, it looks like a park I saw from my balcony. Really awesome place, like super huge, probably like acres of. Hey guys, I'm gonna end this vlog now, and it was a really long journey from Dhaka city to the Maluka land office, and did all the necessary official things. Everything is done. Now I'm gonna crash. As you can see, it's a really comfortable bed behind me. So yeah, now I'm gonna crash for like at least 6, 7, 8 hours. It was a long journey. I'm super tired, and I'm like, my back is like probably swelling or something. So So hey guys, it was the reception. They're calling and for confirmation that I'm in the room or not. So yeah, this is it. Then it was a long journey and broken back and everything, and had an awesome lunch and dinner both at the same time. And now I'm gonna sleep. And my GoPro and GoPro Max, I have like 3 GoPro Hero 7 Black battery and 2 GoPro. They bought back my bill receipt printed copy. That's I received now. So yeah, so it was really awesome food and everything, and got the deluxe room. And so yeah, so if I make a vlog tomorrow, so it will be a new vlog, but this one is ending now. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and after subscribing press the bell icon to get notification of the next video. And please like and share my videos, and also comment in my videos if you guys want to know anything about my video or me. I'll definitely answer the comments. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.